I was watching a Hollywood movie last night and I came across some idioms I didn't understand. Can you help me with them?
Of course, which idioms did you hear?
One was break a leg. The characters kept saying it before a performance. What does that mean?
Break a leg is actually a way to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. It sounds strange, but it's used to avoid saying good luck directly, which is considered bad luck in theater.
Oh, I see. There was another one. Spill the beans. What does that mean?
Spill the beans means to reveal a secret or give away confidential information. For example, if someone accidentally shares surprise party details, you'd say they spilled the beans.
Got it. And what about hit the nail on the head?
That means to describe a situation or problem exactly. If someone gives a perfect answer or analysis, they've hit the nail on the head.
Thanks. These idioms really add flavor to the dialogue, but they can be tricky.
That's true. With practice, you'll start to recognize them more easily. Keep watching movies and jotting down new expressions.
Let's review. Break a leg, to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance. Spill the beans, to reveal a secret or confidential information. Hit the nail on the head, to describe or solve something perfectly or exactly. Test yourself. Before the play, everyone told the actors to The answer is break a leg. I didn't mean to, but I accidentally told everyone about the surprise party. The answer is spill the beans. When you explain the problem so clearly, you really hit the nail on the head.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, please.